We live in an age of constant technological advancement. Every day, we witness breakthroughs that were inconceivable just a few years ago. Yet, why do we still rely on archaic tools for dealing with contamination? The current industry standards in use are time-consuming, inaccurate, and destructive. That is about to change. Persys has invented the most efficient particle monitoring and control system on the market, the PARTi. The PARTi is a breakthrough in particle technology, an airstream particle collection tool with channel options from 100 nanometers up through 5 microns that collects accurate particle data in a fraction of the time of currently used methods and with absolutely no effect on the component. With cost-effective operation, a wide range of channel sizes, and endless applications, the Persys PARTi will soon be the new standard for particle monitoring and control. Persys's patent-pending technology reduces particle measurement cycles from hours to a few minutes, and with virtually no time needed between tests. Now, in the time it takes to run one cycle on other tools, operators can perform several accurate tests back-to-back, allowing for much larger sample quantities, saving you both time and money. With PARTi, particle contamination testing is simple and fast. The system is equipped with an easy-to-read 7-inch touchscreen and 16 recipes, both preset and customizable options which can be easily changed to the needs of the operator and physical properties of the component. A clear graph shown at the end of each test makes visualizing data easy, and all data can simply be retrieved through a USB drive or directly fed into Excel. The system is non-destructive, so component parts can be repeatedly tested and may be put immediately back into production or packaged in perfect condition, so there's absolutely no wasted material or lengthy production downtime. The PARTi also gives the operator complete control of the testing process, offering the choice between examining entire components or specific portions within those components. The testing process is simple. The operator selects from specially designed showers and fixtures depending on the item being tested. Custom showers and fixtures can also be made to order for unique items. The operator then selects a recipe from preset or customized options. The recipes can be customized to the particular requirements of the item being tested. The tool will perform a self-check for cleanliness before beginning a test. When prompted, the operator sets the component inside the chamber and closes the door. Short air bursts and controlled flow repeatedly cycle through the chamber, pushing particles off the component and into the particle collector. The 7-inch touchscreen display displays continuous particle counts, alerts for abnormal readings, as well as a graphical representation of the test results. The PARTi will signal when a cycle has been completed. The operator then removes the component, which is unaffected and ready to be put back into production. The PARTi has an automated cleaning feature that prepares for the next cycle in minimal time. The entire process takes a few minutes. Several different components may be tested back-to-back, cutting down on prep and idle time and saving man-hours in the process. The PARTi's particle collecting option also allows for easy analysis in a scanning electron microscope. The PARTi can examine a wide range of items, using different fixtures depending on the size, shape, and application. Common applications include machine parts, components, wafers and cassettes, cleanroom garments, and papers, just to name a few. Operating the PARTi requires almost no setup time and minimal training, making this tool the simple, cost-effective choice. The Persys PARTi is the first of its kind, an accelerated, non-destructive particle analysis tool. Finally, a particle monitoring technology that is suitable for the pace of 21st century technology.